welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me using a bunch of new makeup releases. I've done a few little Sephora hauls over the last 2 or 3 weeks of a bunch of new products that I am really excited to share with you guys and give you some updates on products that I have been using, some products that I purchased last month at the Sephora VIB sale. So I'm gonna start off with my skin, and I have a lot of eczema issues going on for honestly like the whole year. But I have a bunch of redness on my eyes, and it's actually super calm at this point. I've been waiting like a week to film this video just so that my skin can feel a little bit better and it's not so inflamed. But something that I really like to use, and this is not a new product, but it's something that I added to my everyday makeup drawer recently, is the Good Molecule Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This is a super hydrating primer, so this has been really great when I do wear makeup, since I do have really like irritated dry skin. But on my face today, it is a bit calmer than normal, but just so you guys know, when I do put on like concealer and stuff, if you see like under my eyes that it looks like really cakey or something, it's just my under eyes are so dry, and I've just been going through it with my skin and trying to find a resolution. I've been trying a bunch of stuff over the last couple months. It's a process, but once I find something that works for me, I will keep you guys updated. I've been working with a dermatologist too. I'm going to get into foundation, and I'm going to use the Fenty Skin Tint. I'm the shade number 10. And I honestly don't know why this is called a skin tint, because I have foundations that are even less coverage than this. This is basically like a medium coverage foundation. It is lightweight, but it still is pretty good coverage. I expected when I purchased it to be like almost like a tint, basically just like a hint, a wash of color, and something that just basically evens out your skin really lightly. And you can see it does give like a very natural finish. Maybe I have a different definition of coverage than some other people, because I tend to reach for more natural finish foundations. But to me, this is like a good solid foundation that you can wear with a full face of makeup. And then the concealer that I've been using is just the Rare Beauty concealer. I've been using this just to use it up. It's a decent concealer, but honestly, because I've had like that dryness under my eyes, I'm not really happy with how any concealer looks at the moment. But this is just the one that I've been using from Rare Beauty, and I'm wearing the shade 230N, which is a little bit lighter than my foundation, so it's really good for brightening. And then I'm just setting that with a Too Faced Born This Way powder under my eyes. And then I have a very exciting contour product to share with you guys that is new, that just came out this month. And there's actually 2 products, so I'm going to use both of them. And this is from Persona Cosmetics. They came out with the Dream Sticks, and I wear both. So they're 2 like contour sticks. They say you can use them for bronzer contour, for lip product, eye product. I have just been using them as like contour shades. And then one is cool tone and a little bit darker. One is like a bronzy tone. This one that's cool tone I like to use for contour. The bronzy one I like to use for bronzer. So what I've been doing is just taking the cool tone shade and just using that like on my cheekbones. And then I use the bronzer shade. Oh, and I use it a little bit. Do I wanna? I'll do a little bit of nose contour. Sometimes I feel like I get carried away with it, and then I just have to put concealer again and then kind of start back at square one if it doesn't look good. But I'll just do a little bit for the sake of showing you guys how I use it. And then I love this bronzer shade because this is just, it reminds me of the Hoola Quickie contour stick, which I used to love, but that was a little bit more orange. I'm trying a new concealer or contour brush. Let's see if this works out, just because the one I have is super dirty and I was looking for an extra, but I didn't have one. But this blends out like a dream. I guess that's why it's called the Dream Stick. But these are so good if you're looking like for a new contour product, because I've gotten so many cream contour products lately. I've been using the Bronzino one from Tower 28, and then I've also been using, I have them both in front of me, the Tower 28 Bronzino. This is really good. And this has a little bit of a sheen to it. And then I've also been using the Patrick Ta Sculpt Duo. And I've gotten all of these in probably the last month or so. But honestly, the Persona Cosmetics one is the one that I've been reaching for every day, because I just think the sticks are a little bit easier to use because you apply it directly to your face and they blend out so easily, so effortlessly, that I barely use any other powder product. But I will use a powder product today just to show you guys another new product that I am loving. And then the blush that I have been wearing every single day. I have not worn a powder blush in maybe 2 months. Well, here it is, the Charlotte Tilbury Peach Gasm blush. I have been sharing this a ton lately, but this is the only blush that I have been wearing this spring. And this is a product that looks good no matter how much you apply. Like, I can put that much on and it looks so good. I am running out of this, so I'm hoping it's in stock in Sephora, because Charlotte Tilbury, these products are always sold out. I put a little on my chin as well. I just feel like it looks cute. And then I just blend that out. I love this so much more than the one that I got from NARS. I mentioned this in my last Get Ready With Me, and I got this in the last Sephora sale. This, it's okay. It's so pigmented. It's basically like a blush pigment. This product is a little trickier to blend, but this Charlotte Tilbury one, oh, it looks so good, and it's basically like a foolproof product. And then I like to layer it with this specific highlighter. This is also the only highlighter I've been wearing for the last month, and it's from Grande Cosmetics. It's the Grande Glow French Pearl highlighter. And this combination, I put a lot of this stuff on as well. This combination has been my absolute favorite. I'm so into cream products at the moment. So I just love this dewy glow. Ooh, I should have used the Charlotte Tilbury, especially since I did a light foundation. I should have used the Charlotte Tilbury. Is it too late? No, it's not too late. Let's do it, because I did not set the rest of my face. Flawless Filter. Let's just do a little bit above the brow. I feel like that looks good. I'll do a little above the brow, and then that's all I'll do for now, because I feel like otherwise I'm a little too far in my makeup routine at the moment to go back and apply this all over my face. But Flawless Filter in combination, especially with a lightweight foundation, these are the products that actually make my skin really healthy and dewy for sure. And then I set everything with the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder. Oh my gosh, this bang and my extensions are not blending at the moment, but it's okay. This is not a hair tutorial. I do have a hair tutorial coming up very soon, but for now we're just focusing on this powder. And I use my brush from Complex Culture. I love these brushes so much in this brand. But I also wanted to mention in this video that I will probably take about a week or 2 off of filming long form videos. I'll still have a bunch of shorts up on YouTube, but for long videos, this is actually going to be the last one, at least last like sit down, or as my leg falls asleep, at least the last sit down video that I am going to be filming in this particular room, since I'm going to be moving at the end of this week, and I'm really excited to have a new space. I love this background and everything. I spent so much time putting it together, but I think I am ready for a change for sure. I might do a vlog of maybe undoing this space and packing up my makeup. If you guys want to see that, I'm actually planning on ordering a new vlog camera this week so that I can get a lot more like videos out quickly of me like out on the go and stuff. But I do want to give myself a little bit of time to move and settle in, and put it out there that I am going to take about a week or 2 off of longer videos. That way I don't feel like guilty that I'm not posting, so you guys know in advance. And then I'm using the Hoola Glow bronzer. I did a short on this as well. This bronzer is so good. I actually think that I predicted, I need to go watch my old YouTube videos, because I think back in the day I used to make annual videos of predicting new beauty products from beauty brands, and I swear if I didn't call it Hoola Glow, I at least predicted that Hoola would come out with a shimmer bronzer. But I swear I knew they were gonna call it Hoola Glow. Like back in 2018 I made a video predicting Hoola Glow. I mean, it's not something that's really life-changing. Like, it was only the next step of having a shimmer version of a matte bronzer, but still, it's something that I said should happen many years ago, and I'm very glad that it did, because I hate matte bronzers. I never use them, but I love a shimmer. Ooh, I did not set my face well enough right there. That's okay, we will blend that out. So even if I don't have any longer videos for the next week or so, I will have up some YouTube shorts. I don't know how they show up on your subscription page. I subscribe to some people that put up YouTube shorts, but I feel like I missed some of them. So I just know that I'm gonna be putting up like a couple a week. I have a few pre-filmed of like different beauty videos that I will post up on here as well. And let me know what you guys think about YouTube Shorts if you are watching them. I love them because I love filming short form videos, because I can get a bunch of videos out quickly for sure. And then since it's YouTube and not like Instagram or TikTok, that way I can fill all of the information in my description box of like all of the links to all the products, shade names, everything like that, that I can't really do on some other platforms, to give you a little bit more insight on like what's going on in the video. And then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Rare Beauty Discovery palette. I have been really liking this palette for the last couple weeks. I'm just gonna start off with this peachy shade, but this is probably gonna be my go-to summer eyeshadow palette. I've been reaching for it every day, just because there's a lot of good neutral shades in it too. I filmed a bunch of videos on this palette. I find that you can get a lot of looks out of it, even though it is a smaller palette. And then also, while I am moving in the next 2 weeks, I will still be posting on Instagram and TikTok. Every day I actually will be posting a lot more, since I'll have a lot more time to film some videos that I want to make about moving and stuff. So especially on my TikTok, I'll be filming basically like daily moving vlogs, updates, everything like that. And then on my Instagram stories as well. I share a lot of home stuff on my TikTok, and I'm going to be sharing a lot more since I'm going to be buying furniture and everything like that. And I want to do like kind of mood boards of different rooms, and kind of get your opinions on different styles and everything of like interior design. So if you're interested in that, all of that will be on my TikTok. It's just the same handle as my Instagram. And then I'm just using this mauve shade for my outer corner. I'm not really sure what I want on my lid yet. Of course, I can use this sparkly color. I feel like maybe I should do that. That's actually probably the one color I have not used yet. I don't know if I have any glitter glue, but I think I can probably just use some concealer and set that in place. I'm going to take this neutral peachy shade and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and then I'm going to do the glitter just like in the center of my lid. So I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm just applying it on a concealer brush. I'm just going to add that to the center of my eye. Just taking this glitter, which is absolutely gorgeous. Just pressing that on. All right, so lashes are on, and I almost finished up my makeup without showing you guys one of my new favorite products. And this is a brow product. It's the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I have been wanting this since day one when it came out last year, and I could not find it at any Sephora. It was always sold out online, and I'm loving this so much. So I decided to do this after my foundation today, just because sometimes I apply it, and then once I apply my foundation and everything, like the foundation gets in my brows and it changes the look of it a little bit. But this is very different. I don't have it in front of me, the Patrick Ta one. No, I don't have it in front of me, but the Patrick Ta brow wax that I have been raving about for the last year. This is really different. It gives you a similar look, but it's different. That is a wax. This is a gel. Like, it's a hard gel. You can kind of tell when you look into it. It's basically just like a really stiff, kind of like a combination between a gel and a pomade. But this product is so cool because it does give you that same laminated look as the Patrick Ta brow wax, but this one gives you more of like that wet brow look, more of like that editorial, high fashion. Y'all are probably looking at this and you're like, it just looks like brow gel, calm down. But I love it, and I just really love that look. I love this brow trend. I'm using Ochi Single, I think is the shade of this. No, She's Humble is the lip liner I use pretty much every day from Patrick Ta. I love this with any lip gloss, any lipstick. So this is Hourglass. It's called their Velvet Story in the shade Hint. This is like their new kind of like lip cream, similar to the one from Patrick Ta. So this lip product just came out this month. It does remind me of the Patrick Ta lip creams, but I think I like those a little bit better. They're just a little bit more pigmented. I'm going to top it with this High Shine lip gloss from Urban Decay. I don't even know if they still make these anymore, but I do have to do actually a lip declutter. I'm going to do that on my TikTok as part of like my moving vlogs, because it's not enough to do like a full length video. Maybe I'll put it on shorts as well. But I just don't need to do a lip declutter so badly. All right, guys, so this is the final makeup look. I am so happy to share all of these new products all together. I've been doing a bunch of little shorts on here, sharing products one by one. But this is like the grand finale of all of those items put together. And honestly, I think the #1 product that completely makes this look is the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I just love the way my brows look with this. I feel like it just gives it a very like 2021 on trend editorial kind of look. I really like playing with really simple makeup trends, and I feel like it really does transform my face. I am loving everything that I mentioned in this video. I'm really loving the Rare Beauty palette. I do think that by the time I put up this video, all of my other Rare Beauty palette tutorials will be up, so I will link those as well. I'll link the individual reviews to some of the products I mentioned, and I'll also link all of the products that I wore in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Like I mentioned, I will be taking a short break from longer videos. It's only gonna be maybe 10 days, maybe a little bit less, but I wanted to put that out there. That way I don't feel guilty that I'm not posting longer videos, and I just really want to enjoy moving and getting settled in and kind of soak it all in and live in the moment in that. And also document the whole process and share it with you guys on my Instagram and my TikTok over the next couple weeks. So those will be linked below. I will be posting daily on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.